get some nice morning clips heading over before we get on the highway. So we'll see everybody over there. Alright guys, we're back. So this is basically down the street from the place, so let's see what's going on. This is new to me and new to you guys. I've never been down here, me personally. I was told to look for the Prevost. Oh, okay. Well, in other words, look for the green lights. In other words, green people. What's up, guys?
Give Steve a ride to the front.
Okay, well, where's the front?
Follow the wind.
All right, well, he'll direct me, right?
Yeah, just take Steve with you.
All right. Are you Steve?
Yes.
Hello, Steve.
You remember, right?
Yeah, how you doing, man?
Good. Just
Good.
make sure you put that on.
Okay, all right, thank you. Oh, yeah, I'm always bad with those things, man.
You and me, boss.
They're annoying to get on, and they're even more annoying to take off.
Oh,
Okay. Hey,
See? No.
It's on.
Just pull up to that table there. They're gonna give you something. You're parking us, right?
Yeah, I'm parking. Yeah.
Awesome.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are ya?
This is my first time here.
Me too.
Wow.
Can you do me a favor? Which one is it? There's two Golden Gate.
Yeah, this one's 1426.
Armond, right?
Yeah, Armond. Yep.
Armond. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's,
Four.
all right, thanks, man.
No problem.
Also, they actually have spot numbers on them.
Yeah, they have the numbers right in the back of that paper.
Okay. Oh, 4. All right, and then I just put it like.
Yeah, just put it on your bus. If you want to put it in the dashboard or whatnot, just make it visible.
Okay, sounds good. And where do we park it? Just find an open spot, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna direct you over to Ken.
Oh, okay.
Call him up now.
All right, sounds good.
I'll go
all
over
right.
with you.
Oh, okay. All right.
How you doing, my
How you doing? Good, good.
It's better in person than it does on Facebook.
Ah, thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
I love it.
Thank you, man.
I think there might be one more of these coming.
I know you got Anthony's. We all have sister buses. We got 25.
Commonwealth from Virginia. I thought he was supposed to come.
Oh, 27. Yeah. He's in the original scheme.
Yes, he restored it to the original.
I can't wait to see that,
All right,
man.
Ken's gonna be down here.
Okay.
Stop here for Angel. He'll direct you.
Oh,
There's one right there.
Oh, okay.
Yep, stop right there. He'll guide you.
Oh, look at all this equipment.
I'm gonna put you behind this bus right here.
Okay. What's going on, guys? We're over at the event at Starr Tours, and we made it out here. A little late recording, but you know, a lot going on, chopping up with good folks and everybody. We'll go quick run through all the buses. I'm not gonna do the interior. I'll probably just peek through the doors and stuff because there's gonna be a lot of other videos. It's gonna get in-depth stuff. So got the old look, got an Eagle. I don't know, this is Model 10. I think this is a Model 10. Trailways, looks good. We got 1425. This one's owned by Anthony Capel. Looks good. Just got a fresh paint job. Basically a rehab if you think of it. It's got the Alcoas. Then you go in the back. See, this bus is Mary's sister, but he put his own spin on it. Well, yeah, clearly not the lantern flies. Yeah, there's a pretty bad problem with that down here. Yeah, this one's got the updated tailgate like an New Jersey Transit bus, so that is pretty cool. Then we got the mega bus, the double decker, more lantern flies. This is crazy. We got Prevost. We got a 9B. This is General's brother, pretty much. This is General's brother. So we'll take a look inside this one because. Hey, what's up, man? Good, good.
Not my bus. I'm just sitting here.
No, I know. Yeah.
I love the truck.
Yeah, that was the inside. Looks basically identical. Only difference with this one, some of the seats don't have the leather headrests or like the little leather tops. We got a old look. Let me see. Hold on, I'm all over the place, but we got the usual Jersey buses here. We got 5227. Funny story, I actually drove this bus in service. This is a Quill bus. Michael J. Quill.
It's not easy, right?
It's awesome to say I drove in service. I feel a little bit like a old timer. Then we got Fishbowl, P700. We got the Mac. This is out in Hershey. This bus is beautiful. Very funky, very different. Who would have thought like Mac made buses? Pretty awesome. A Vanderhoof Eagle. I believe this is a 96, 97, somewhere along that line. Yeah, it's deck and half. G603. Got 6106. Yeah, this is the same thing. Z546. We got an Eagle Model 20. Now we're actually gonna look inside this one because I'm actually curious myself of how it looks like on the inside compared to a 9. Oh wow, identical seats. Dashboard looks completely different. Okay.
This Eagle only has 2 luggage bags.
I always love with these how the wheel sticks out a little bit past the liner. I feel like that's pretty cool. Got a Lakeland. I'm not sure if this is a 4500 or a DR3. We got the military police bus. This was from Hershey. I believe they came from PA with this. We got an X-Saddle River unit. Awesome instructor brought this by. Basically showing the new partition for the driver's area, which honestly I think is great. It would just be nice if they can execute it and actually install it on the buses. But I think cameras take the priority before that, but I'm not gonna say anymore. I'll keep my mouth shut on that one. Yeah, we got 143, a community fishbowl. We got a D4500, we got 8316. I think this retired out of Meadowlands, and it was a Howl. So same old with this one. We got 3057. Metro B. We got B340. Yo, you in front of your babe? Chief. Alright, we're gonna step over to the other side. The other side. All in all, it's a great turnout so far. Bringing Mary down. Oh, I had a little annoying issues, you know, typical 1994 stuff. But you know, see, we made it down here, thank God. We even got a Dash Orion 5 over there, so that's pretty cool. We got 3778 Golden Gate RTS. We got the baby RTS. This one is always pretty cool. Nova Classic, CT Transit, Department of Energy, Fishbowl. Oh, sorry. Nah, you're gonna shoot me. Fishbowl. I take that back. Flexible new look, because that's exactly what it is. Shame on me, because I own one. So, flexible new look, stick shift. Only a few of these were made from Department of Energy. That's extremely rare and nice. And then, you know, can't forget the Queen. You already know, y'all. You already know. I believe I'm number 4 for the parade. Not exactly sure what that means. All right, we mobbing in the Queen, guys. I'm recording. Oh, you still here, Brown?
I'm gonna go see the King. What's his name? Ian?
He's in that one. I just saw him.
Don't worry, I'm gonna squeeze it up.
I'm gonna squeeze him.
You're doing a video now?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. I was walking around the other buses. Hey, Mom. Hi. You okay? You hot? You all right?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Sipping my water.
The window opens too if you want. You can get more air.
Oh, okay. I don't want those bugs in here. But
Oh yeah.
yeah, it's coming in from, you know,
Yeah.
it's good. It's good.
Yo, the bugs are all over the place, man. It's bad. Oh, sorry, son.
It's the location.
Yeah.
Further south you go, get the
That's bad. Whew. All right, I'll be back, y'all. All right, we got it. This is a surprise. We got an Academy D4500 right here. Another bus owned by the Cap himself. Excuse me, sir. What's the original number to this one?
8629.
Oh shit, 8600.
Yeah, it still says on the roof too.
Wow, I ain't
roof
good.
has it, and then
I saw it
see a
on the
little
front.
bit
Oh,
of
on
the
the jump.
decal.
Oh,
You
You can see it a little bit.
that's
Up
cool
there.
as hell. Yeah, this was definitely a surprise. All right, this is gonna be on the channel, so
I'll probably go
yeah.
back on.
Chief, what's up?
Originally purchased new by Golden Gate Transit in San Francisco, then finished her career in Charleston, South Carolina. Now living her retired life, restored and preserved by Armond McFadden, and he restored it into the Golden Gate scheme that it was delivered. The current scheme was delivered in a different scheme. This is the current Golden Gate scheme that the newer buses have. Armond, the Queen Mary is just awesome. All hail the Queen Mary!
All right, all hail the
A
Queen!
part of our show, and like I told him earlier, it looks a lot better in person than it does on Facebook, right?
Oh, thank you, man.
Awesome. And there's follow the continued adventures on Facebook of Queen Mary. Next, from the Classic Bus Owners Association, Thomas Rice. He helped coordinate our shuttle bus service today to and from the Hammond train stations. We thank him for that. Right now, we started in 1972.
Yeah. That was fucking awesome.